Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a server not found in Mozilla Firefox. So how to fix this type of error? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open your Android mobile phone, and after that go to your settings of your Android mobile phone. Go to your settings, and after that go to your apps or application section. Okay guys, click on Firefox, and after that clear the data and click on OK button. Now you can see that when you clear the data, the cache is automatically deleted. After that click on force stop, and after that go back and restart your Android mobile phone, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem has been solved. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.